Hello everyone, you are welcome back. In today's video, I will share with you how to make bread rolls, popularly known as dinner rolls, with a step-by-step guide. And this my recipe is very quick and easy to make. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification so as to get notified wherever I upload a new video. Add 1 cup of warm milk into a mixing bowl, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. So if what you have or what you are using is active dried yeast, so you can proof it, but this one is instant yeast, there is no need to proof it. Next, add in the flour. Here I'm using 4 cups of bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour as well. Follow with 1 teaspoon of salt. So right now we'll go ahead to add a bit of water, or just measure 4 tablespoons of water, and I'll be adding it a bit by bit. And after that, I will transfer the dough on a flat surface. So I'm just doing this because I don't want the dough to waste at all, not even a little bit. I don't want, because I love bread though, especially homemade bread. Don't play with it. I love it a lot. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, you are very welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please click on that subscribe button and join the family. Turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified wherever I upload new video. And to my old and new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your time. Thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you guys a lot. So right now, we'll go ahead to add 4 tablespoons of butter. Then keep kneading until a perfect dough is made. So I want you guys to see this part. So this is how it looks like off camera. So this is what we always do. So you see, it's not always beautiful. Then you keep doing this. Don't give up. Keep doing it till a dough is formed. So you see how beautiful it turned out to be. So this is dough. I've heard your question, so I will answer. So why am I doing this? I'm actually doing this because I want it to turn out smooth. So next, grease the dough or oil the dough. After that, cover and let it rest for 35 to 40 minutes in a warm place, or until it doubles in size. Release the gauze by punching out the dough. So at this point, divide the dough into small equal sizes. And as for me, I got about 16 pieces. Yeah, I got 16 pieces. So before I forget, full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below. Be sure to check it out. So here I've already prepared the pan. You can use baking dish or any baking pans you have. Next, form a round shape. So you can do this on your hand or on the flat surface. So I'm not so comfortable with the one with hand, so I'm going to do it on the flat surface. So I prefer this. Please click on the like button if you have enjoyed this recipe so far and if it has been of help to you. Thank you. Cover the dough to rest for another 30 minutes and it will also double in size. Brush the dough with a mix of 1 large egg and a little bit of milk, or measure 2 teaspoons of milk. And while doing this, be sure to preheat your oven. Bake 150° in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. And after baking, brush with butter to give it that beautiful and shiny look. Dough is already beautiful anyways. And after applying the butter, let it cool down for 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, let me show you how it looks like. This bread is very soft and yummy, and you can have this with your morning tea, fried egg, butter, or you can also eat it just like that. Adios guys, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.